The rain is coming down. Look at the weapons, black and white. We got it going here. We got Brad. Where is he?
Putting on the rubber boots.
Putting on his rubber boots.
Get ready to go.
We're getting ready to go here. So since it's raining and it's actually Easter weekend, happy Easter, guys. We're gonna try and get a whole bunch done because we got a whole bunch of, or I have a whole bunch of family things, dinners and stuff this weekend. So I figured let's try and film 3 videos today. So first video, we're gonna rip around in that new car, the Ford 500. Second video, we're gonna rip around on the quad. And then third video, we're just gonna do the old quad clean and then hit the pool after. So I'm excited for the car. We haven't had a fresh car in a while. I was supposed to get trucks, but unfortunately we got the car. Well, I'm just glad we got a vehicle of some sort. So we got the car. We're gonna rip it around in the mud. We're gonna do a big burnout with it. No fire today. I'm trying to convince Brad to take his truck through fire, but he's being a little wimp. Hey, why don't you just take your brand new truck through fire?
Mine?
Yeah.
You know what? Chevy owners treat their Chevys with respect. All right?
Don't give us the whole dad spiel.
This is it.
This is it.
This is Rad Dad spiel.
Rad the Rad Dad. You think you're so special with my helmet.
This is my helmet. Look at it. I'm fixing it. Who was wearing this last? Somebody else was wearing this.
I was wearing it the other day. Anyways, so we'll head down the track. We're gonna rip around that 300 or the 500 like it's a 300, and let's see if we can burn some meat off them tires and do some donuts, rip up the mud. As you can see, it is still raining out, so hopefully the rain will stop soon or sometime later today. Then Amber should be here later, and maybe we'll do some more videos tomorrow. So she wants to rip the quad. I'm trying to convince her to do a big burnout on the quad. I got some spare tires for the quad, so I figured let's do all the videos, Brad.
We're doing them all today.
Look, I got a spare set of tires. They've been sitting there for like 5 years. We might as well just burn the tires off.
I'll burn the clutch and the tires out today.
Yeah.
Be good.
You damn clutch burner. You want to buy a sled, Brad?
I'll borrow it.
Borrow it?
Yeah.
All right, let's head down the track. The slop continues. You excited, Brad?
I'm excited. I'm going, it's muddy down here. It's still pretty icy underneath, eh?
Do we have matching tubes?
We got matching tubes.
I think we have matching tubes.
Yeah, we do.
I just realized that.
Yeah. I got my racing gloves today.
Racing gloves?
Yeah.
Good. This thing's got a 1/4 tank of jet fuel on it.
All right.
So try not to rip too much stuff off it. Try and stay uphill. Don't end up over there, because if we end up over there, then we're probably not getting back. Yeah.
I can guarantee we're probably going to get stuck today. Somewhere.
I guess you should start first.
Well,
Here,
I've already
take
made
GoPro.
I've already made that decision. Where do you want the GoPro?
Just throw it in the front seat for now. We'll use her later. Gotta warm her up nice. Oh, it's even got the buttons on the side. Be careful. It's got 400 horsepower.
He is powerful. 110K.
110K on her. That's how you warm the girl up. Hey, give us a Rockford. You remember how to do a Rockford, right?
Oh, not very good.
Maybe start in the grass over here and then, because it's pretty muddy, so.
Reverse to forward?
Yeah, reverse, turn the wheel forward.
Your dad doesn't care if I take a fence out?
Don't take the fence. You can take all the lawn out you want, just don't take the fence out.
Oh, she goes, I don't have to press the gas. There is no brakes on this.
There's a little bit. At least you can stop. She is raining good out here. Tell the guy to do Rockford and he just drives in the mud and stuff. You gotta take the traction control off. Traction control! It's in the middle. TC. There you go. Rolling cool. I told you not to go over there. He gets stuck.
We're not going anywhere.
Well, keep her. Hold on. Let me do it before you just.
No.
Just rolling cool. Oh God! Don't get stuck.
What?
Don't get stuck.
Pretty sure I'm stuck already.
Here, let me do it. You're just gonna make this worse.
Well, Mark got this thing stuck already.
Oh my God! one job.
Oh, she's thick down here. We're in the smoke here. You're getting there.
Slowly but surely. I think that might be it, Brad.
We need to get the quad out and tow her. You want me to push?
Yeah, let's try and give her a push.
All right.
We're slowly inching away. Brad jammed a bumper, old bumper in there, and we made it from over there to over here. She's kind of uphill.
I am out of breath.
She's out of breath.
Woo!
This would
You
be.
want to reverse or forward?
Maybe we'll start by going reverse,
I think reverse is better.
and then this would have been so much easier if you just did the Rockford.
You know what? You weren't in there. Things got treacherous. It slid right down the hill.
You don't understand. You haven't been in my shoes.
I worked nights last night.
I worked nights last night. Oh, just enjoying the rain. Just got to enjoy the weather for what it is. That's
All right.
why FXR gives us gear, so we can stay.
100% waterproof. Look at that. A little bit of mud on there.
You go.
Cleaned up.
All right, let's try again.
Well, this is exactly why we bring the Ford down and not the Chevy. Not because the Chevy gets stuck, just because I don't want to clean it. It is muddy down here. We're getting there. Just hook it on the bottom side of the plastic bumper. Yeah,
There,
perfect.
right there.
Perfect.
Is that good?
Yeah.
Not a whole lot of places you can hook this thing up under here.
These 500s weren't made to get stuck.
No, I think they're made for the road.
Anything in there?
Yeah, we got a control arm.
The strobe's going. Oh, Matt, we're gonna need a new sweater.
We like playing in mud.
Boom.
You wanna?
You want me to get in, or you just gonna pull her?
Well, you'll have to get in this, hit reverse, and then I'll try and pull you out. Slowly but surely getting out. Slowly but surely. Ford's gonna need a wash after this. We're not having much progress here. The truck got sloppy. The good news is it's pretty much stopped raining. I think we should give her one more attempt, Brad, and then say screw it.
Let's go.
We're gonna have to wash the old truck now. That wasn't the game plan. I parked it in the driveway so it wouldn't get dirty.
Here's the game plan. I'm just gonna do a big old U-turn here.
Here's the game plan. You should start listening to me when I tell you, don't go down here.
It slid down. It's like that. Look at the grade here.
All right. Hold on, let me grab the strap. All right, let's see what he's got. This is either, I don't think this is gonna end well, so. It's hard to tell on camera, but everything kind of just slopes downhill. Turn right. Pull it wide. Good. But can he get back up the hill? It's moving. See, the hardest part is up here. Maybe if he can back up and try and head this way again. It's all about momentum down here. If you don't got momentum, I love how the bumper's on the front. And I think he's buried. Turn right! Come this way! He doesn't listen to me. He's just getting buried deeper. Oh. That's like one sloppy hole. At least we're getting some good mud done. Oh, it's just getting deeper and deeper. Just digging a hole.
What?
You're just digging a hole. The thing just rips. Not very good in mud, but it rips fairly good. My truck rips a lot better. I think we're gonna axe the quad video for today. Oh, he's going for the bumper. I don't know if there's some things that we can jam under the tires. Do you guys know of any things that you could jam under there? I'm sure there's something on Instagram now. There's always ads popping up for that kind of stuff. See what we got. Oh! Oh God. That thing's just getting deeper and deeper. I love the steam back there. Yeah, there's EFS just laughing at us. What are these idiots doing? I love how a game plan, we always start with a game plan, then it always goes south. It never actually turns out what we want to do. Oh well, at least this car hasn't lit on fire. He's getting so deep, the bumper's almost rubbing.
I'll be here all day.
Yeah, try once more and then we'll head up.
I lost power.
Oh, she's probably overheated. Oh, no, there he goes. Yeah, try once more and then we'll axe it. We're getting a tick. She's knocking.
She's making noise now.
Yeah, just throw her in park. Let's axe it.
I'm gonna go downhill. Go downhill now.
She doesn't want to start too well.
I think we found out why she.
Well, it doesn't help that we're holding it wide open through mud. Keep going. You gotta turn the wheel a little when you do it. You're going nowhere. Try and back up a few feet, just lightly. I think we should shut it down before we ruin this car.
She done.
We want to still make more videos with it, so. Anyways, it was a good attempt. Brad, shut her down. Shut her down.
Get the window down.
Oh,
There we go.
there we go. You want to say any last words before we wrap this video up?
You know what?
You should have listened. You should have listened. All right, well, we're gonna go wash my truck instead of doing a quad video because I don't feel like getting more muddy than we already are. Thank you guys for watching. I guess next video we'll be pulling this thing out of the mud with the tractor.
Yeah.
And Brad, what did we learn?
There's a big grade here.
Don't go downhill.
You know what? You had it set up there, and she just slid right down. There was nothing you could do.
There's just nothing we can do. All right, thank you guys again. Check out the links below. Check out the merch store. Buy some 408 stuff. Follow us on Instagram, Mark Freeman 408, Brad McNine. All our Instagrams are below in the info. Follow the team. Thank you guys again. We'll see you later.